Hello there, and this is the Toyota Rav-4 self-charging hybrid. Just a quick introductory video to show you the features and show you around the car. Just starting on the front, you can see it's got the front parking sensors fitted there. You may be able to see them next to the number plate with two little white dots there. You also got them on the corners next to the smaller light clusters as well. See the 16-inch alloy wheels sit there quite nicely, and just walking around the car to show you how it's all put together. Boot release is just underneath the Toyota badge itself. See, it's got an auto release boot just there. Quite a sizable trunk space with the luggage net as well, in case you do have something more substantial that you want to put in the boot. So you've got that button there as well. Just press that. You can see there the boot will close. No need to stand next to it, it will close on its own. So that's the outside of the self-charging hybrid. I'll show you the inside now. Then we've moved inside the car. You can see there's quite a few different controls on the steering wheel there, to try and make your driving experience as easy as possible. You've got telephone on the left-hand side there, with also the volume control for the radio as well. I've also got a voice control, which you can see at the bottom left-hand corner just here, which will be if your phone is connected, you can use your phone or use your voice to call someone rather than cycling through the phone book. On the left hand side, you've got the trip computer and also the different arrows for selection. You can cycle up and down through the menus that are on the screen. At the minute, the fuel is low in the car, so it's got that display instead. But you can see there you can cycle through the different options that are available to you, dependent on which one you would prefer. Onto the centre console, you've got the DAB radio, which is currently selected. You can cycle through, obviously select whichever radio station you prefer. It's also got FM and AM if you prefer that. You've got the air conditioning controls all on the centre just here. Now moving down here, we've got the automatic gearbox with obviously park, reverse, neutral and drive. You can also have a sequential gearbox there as well, should you wish to take a bit more control. Moving down here to the less obvious places, you've got your cigarette lighter just there. You've also got an aux cable and a USB port just there for you as well. You've got the heated passenger seat, heated driver's seat. You can leave the car in electric mode, eco mode or sport mode, so you've got different driving controls down there as well. Moving across here, you've got the electric windows all around. You've got the electric mirrors just there as well, and the power button. Driver's seat is also fully electric. So to move the seat around, it is an electric control, and then you've got the cruise control, which is just there, just behind the steering wheel, there for you as well. So it's got an automatic light function, which you can see just there, and also automatic wipers as well. So when it's dark enough or when it's wet enough, they will come on independently. You might have noticed the two-tone interior, which is displayed here on the dashboard. We've also got it on the seats all around as well. So you can see there, it's the seats all around, the two-tone grey and black leather with faux in places. Hope you enjoyed the quick walk around of the Toyota Rav-4, and any inquiries, please do get in touch.